Allosaurus. Allosaurus had a small horn over each eye. The horns may have helped Allosaurus to recognize others of its kind. Allosaurus was one of the dominant carnivores in North America that lived in the Jurassic, many millions of years before Tyrannosaurus rex. Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus was covered from head to toe with bony armor. The bony club at the end of its tail was used in defending against predators. Ankylosaurus was a large and heavy quadruped, which means it walked on 4 legs. It was also a herbivore, which means it only ate the green stuff, plants. Apatosaurus. Apatosaurus was a giant dinosaur that had to eat huge amounts of food every day to support its size. Apatosaurus had chisel-like teeth located in the front of its jaws, which it used to grab plant food. A lot of plant food. Cryolophosaurus. Cryolophosaurus was discovered on the southern continent of Antarctica. Today, Antarctica is extremely cold and icy, but during the age of the dinosaur, Antarctica was much warmer with lush green forest. Cryolophosaurus was a large meat-eating dinosaur that lived during the Jurassic time period. During the Jurassic, Antarctica was closer to the equator and was part of a large continent called Pangaea. Kentrosaurus. Kentrosaurus was a relatively small armored stegosaur dinosaur from the late Jurassic time period. Kentrosaurus was a slow-moving plant eater that was found in Africa. Kentrosaurus had a tiny brain, one of the smallest known for a dinosaur. Mosasaurus. Mosasaurus was huge, growing up to 50 feet long. That's bigger than a T-Rex. Mosasaurus probably ate a variety of animals such as fish, turtles, ammonites, maybe even smaller mosasaurs. Pteranodon. Pteranodons were found in North America and England and were thought to live during the late Cretaceous time period. This fish-eating flying reptile was one of the largest pterosaurs to ever live. It had a wingspan of up to 30 feet, which is about the length of a school bus. Chonchosaurus. Compared to other tyrannosaurs such as T-Rex, Chonchosaurus had a long snout, earning it the nickname Pinocchio Rex. Chonchosaurus was a carnivore. Even though it was a tyrannosaur, its jaw was likely weaker than the T-Rex's, so they probably ate different prey. Quetzalcoatlus. Quetzalcoatlus was a giant pterosaur that lived in what is now North America during the late Cretaceous time period. Quetzalcoatlus might have eaten a variety of animals that it found or hunted on the ground, including amphibians, reptiles, and rodent-like mammals. Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus lived in Africa during the late Cretaceous time period. Spinosaurus was a carnivore. It had a long face like a crocodile with plenty of teeth, perfect for catching fish and other animals. Stegosaurus. Stegosaurus had large bony plates on its back. Some paleontologists think that Stegosaurus used its plates to warm up on cold days and cool down on hot days. Stegosaurus was a herbivore with a horny beak instead of front teeth, and a set of flat teeth in the back of its jaw that were perfect for grinding up vegetation. Troodon. Troodon was a small bipedal dinosaur with a big brain, which probably made it one of the smartest dinosaurs around. Unlike most dinosaurs feeding on either plants or meat, Troodon was most likely an omnivore, eating both plants and meat. Being an omnivore means it was easier to find a meal. Tyrannosaurus. With arms so tiny, Tyrannosaurus probably used its head to grab its prey. Tyrannosaurus was a bipedal carnivore and was one of the biggest predators ever to live on land. This meant it had to eat a lot to survive. A grown-up could eat 500 pounds of meat in a single bite. Velociraptor. Velociraptor is a small feathered dinosaur that lived during the Cretaceous. It's only been found in Asia and lived in a desert habitat with sand dunes. Velociraptor is derived from the Latin words for quick and robber. It was given this name by scientists because it was a very fast carnivore. Velaticotherum. Velaticotherum was an amazing mammal, like modern-day flying squirrels. It could glide from tree to tree or from trees to the ground. Velaticotherum was probably an insectivore, which means that it ate insects. It also may have been nocturnal, or most active at night. Yangchuanosaurus. Yangchuanosaurus was a theropod dinosaur that lived in Asia. With plenty of sharp teeth in their jaws, they would have been amazing predators. Yangchuanosaurus probably hunted plant-eating dinosaurs like stegosaurs and young sauropods.